This video deals with the range of a function and also transformation of graph, in particular reflection on y-axis, and also classify whether the function is even or odd or neither. We are given a function which is a piecewise function equal to absolute value of x plus 2 for x between minus 4 and 0 as equal to x minus 2 for x between 0 and 4. We're going to state the range of f of x. Now in our earlier part, we have seen the graph look like this. The graph on the left is the graph of y equal to absolute value of x plus 2. The graph on the right is a graph of y equal to absolute value of x minus 2. Now, the range of f, by definition, is collection of all the y such that y equal to f of x. Now, look at all the y. We find that all the value of y is range from 0 to 2. The value of y is range from 0 to 2. So this is a set of value from 0 to 2 now, including 0 and including 2. In terms of interval notation, this is 0 including 0 and 2 included. This will answer the second part. Next, we are going to look at the transformation if I change a variable x to minus x. How does the graph change? What is the change look like? So this is our original function f of x equal to absolute value of x plus 2 for x between minus 4 and 0, and it's equal to absolute value of x minus 2 for x between 0 and 4. Now I change the x to minus x. So what will happen? So change the x to minus x, 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 change the x to minus here. So we have a new function now. How does the graph of this new function look like? You recall that if y equal to fx is changed to y equal to f of minus x, the new graph is obtained from the old graph by reflecting the old graph in y-axis. So what does it mean? Let's look at this. This is our old graph. This is the y-axis, and we're going to make a reflection in y-axis. So let's look at the image or reflection on the left side. So the left hand side, the image on the left hand side, let's look at the left hand side first. The left hand side is this portion. So after the reflection, where does it go to? In the y-axis, you'll find after reflection, this piece will move here. This piece of the reflection will move here. We can also look at right side as well. The right side is this piece here. So if you look at a reflection in y-axis, where we know the y-axis is here. So after the reflection, the right side, this piece here, will move to here, and this piece here, after reflection, will move to here. So overall, the graph is unchanged. So in order to answer part C, describe the transformation effected to the graph of fx if x is changed to minus x. This is a reflection in y-axis. Now, last part, classify the function f of x as even or odd neither. Recall that a function is even if f of x equal to f of minus x for all x, Alternatively, we can look at the graph. If f of x is even, then the graph of y equal fx is symmetrical in y-axis. Now when you look at the graph, we know that the graph of y equal fx here is symmetrical in y-axis, right? Therefore, this function is even. And that is the end of the solution. But something to take away. Do you know what is an odd function? What are the examples of function? How the graph behave? If you are not sure, please refer to your notes or the textbook. That is the end of the recording.